Hi there! Today we will be making a landscape beach. Well, this sounds something different and interesting at the same time. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see a beautiful landscape design which is made with the help of 4 steps. Yes, because the rectangle we have is very long. So let's make it a little short so that it's easier for us to make our drawing. After making these 2 lines, let's make a sleeping line right here towards the bottom of the page. Looks like almost in the center of the paper though. After that, let's make this beautiful curve. And then let's make these 2 curves for our coconut tree. We will slowly and nicely make these curves for the leaves. You're right. Continue making the same thing for the other side. Yes, the second coconut tree. This looks very interesting. Let's make the other side. Once we are done with that, let's make these beautiful sandcastles. Yes, we can overlap them one on top of another. Let's make a seashell and then these 2 flags. This looks lovely, isn't it? I'm very excited to complete the entire drawing. Let's make these 2 small coconut trees far in the background. Well, yes, they are small because we see them in a perspective. Let's make these beautiful leaves right here. They look amazing, isn't it? Complete the other tree in a similar way. Once we are done with the entire drawing, let's start sketching it. We're going to sketch this together, isn't it? So get ready with your black sketch pen and sketch the entire drawing. If you feel that you've not made the details in a better way, you can make them nicely with the help of your sketch pen. Don't hesitate and make a great drawing. Try and not make a mistake here. Complete the entire drawing in a similar way. Make all the designs in a nice way and complete the entire picture. Once we are done sketching the entire drawing, we are going to erase the pencil marks we see, so that our drawing looks neat and clean. It's time for us to start coloring this. At first, we are going to take ochre or beige color and do this part. After that, let's take a light beige color and do the bottom part of the sand. Well, yes, we need to be very slow while doing this. At first, we will apply pressure and create a darker shade of beige. Once we want a sand texture or once we want a lighter shade, we need to start releasing the pressure from the color and color lightly. Something like this. But don't forget to do your outline and color inside in one direction. This looks very interesting. Complete the entire thing now. Let's take our blue color and make these waves inside the water. Well, yes, a few parts of it is going to be dark and a few part of the water is going to be light. Hence, let's highlight the dark portions at first. Let's do this beautiful white color in the middle. It is going to help us blend the colors well when we are coloring the lighter part. Let's do this now. We are going to take a lighter shade of blue and color nicely. It is completely alright if your drawing does not exactly match the one in the book. We need to try being as close as possible to the one mentioned in the book. Let's color this with green now. Once we are done with that, let's take brown color and do this. That's lovely. We will now take light green color and do all these leaves. Use the tip of the crayon so that you can color these thin parts nicely and you do not go out of the shape. This is interesting. Now comes the fun part. We need to make the clouds. And how do we do that? At first, we make a beautiful line of clouds right up in the sky. After that, we will only color the top part slowly and nicely with this blue color. Make sure you color this lightly and do not press the color too much. This looks beautiful. Let's give the finishing touch-ups wherein we are using pink for the shell and red for the flags. After that, let's use blue color for this as well.